The campaign aims to promote fitness and a drug-free lifestyle among youth with simultaneous runs across 100 cities on September 2021. The Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha, the young wing of Bharatiya Janata Party, on Sunday launched the Namo Yuva Run campaign to mark the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 75th birthday on September 17. Union Sports Minister Mansukh Mandavia and BJP MP BJYM President Tejaswi Suri inaugurated the campaign alongside actor model Milind Sonal, who has appointed as campaign brand ambassador. The initiative seeks to inspire youth to embrace fitness and adopt a drug-free lifestyle. Mandavia said the launch also unveiled the campaign official registration portal logo, mascot and t-shirt, all symbolizing Seva Fitness and a Nasha Mukta Bharat. Speaking about the nationwide event, Surya said to mark Modi ji birthday, the BJYM is organizing the Namo Yuva Run across 100 cities on September 21, with 10,000 to 15,000 youth participating at each location. Mandavia added the PM Narendra Modi's 75th birthday while the country wishes to offer him gifts. He urges citizens to fulfill their duties towards the nation. The Namo Yuva Run is our way of tackling the challenge of drugs.
To mark the 75th birthday of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha is organizing Namo Yuva Runs at 75 locations in the country with participation of 10,000 to 15,000 youths in every location. Totally 1 million youths. 1 million youths will run at the same time at 75 locations all over the country. This will be recorded as the biggest and most participated run in the country in the history. 1 million people running simultaneously on the same occasion on the same day. ये 21 सितंबर को सुबह 7 बजे पूरे देश में 75 लोकेशंस पे शुरू होगा और इस कार्यक्रम के इस रन के एक स्पष्ट उद्देश्य और थीम के साथ हम इस रन को ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं और वो है नशा मुक्त भारत। पिछले 10 साल में माननीय प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी और गृह मंत्री अमित शाह जी के नेतृत्व में the country has seen a very successful war on drugs. और आप सब जानते हैं कैसे ड्रग्स सामान्य युवाओं को कैसे वो ग्रसित करता है, कैसे वो डेबिलिटेट करता है, वीकन करता है. It is the death knell for vitality and strength. Once you get addicted, your life ends there. It is so hard to come out of this addiction. Your priorities in life change, your health takes a back seat, you get distracted with your achievements, you will become goalless, and पूरा जीवन which was just about to blossom वो खत्म हो जाता है. And हम सब जानते हैं कि ये नशा का जो इकोसिस्टम है वो नार्को टेररिज्म को, नार्को नक्सलिज्म को, क्रॉस बॉर्डर टेररिज्म को ये फंड भी करता है. So it not just is a difficulty to the youth, it is not just a source of weakness for the youth, but it is also a big challenge to the country's national security and internal security. और पिछले 10 साल में अपनी सरकार ने has done some incredible work when it comes to destruction of drugs and this war on drugs.